Hello, today I will show you an overview of the new Golden West Webmail settings, displaying messages, and composing messages. First, log into your Golden West Webmail and select Settings in the upper right-hand corner. Then, under Preferences, select Displaying Messages. This set of options controls how messages in the mail view should be displayed. Open Message in a new window. With this option checked, double-clicking a message in the email view will open it in a new window instead of the current browser's window or tab. Show email address with display name. When checked, the email address will be appended to the sending email address. When not checked, only the display name is shown. Display HTML. Check this option to display formatted message as the sender intended it. When disabled, formatted emails will be converted to plain text. Display remote inline images. Formatted HTML messages can contain references to images which have to be loaded from a remote server. That can harm your privacy and reveal to the sender that you opened the message. This technique is often used by spammers to verify that your email address works and you can be sent more spam. Display attached images below the message. Enable this option if you want image attachments being displayed below the message text. After message, delete, move, display the next message. Controls whether the screen should jump to the next message in the list when opening an email message, and then move or delete it. Display emoticons in plain text messages. When a specific pattern of characters are found, such as semicolon, parentheses, these will be translated into emoticons. Under composing messages, the settings control the look and feel of composing a message to someone. Compose in a new window. With this option checked, the Message Compose form will open in a new window instead of the current browser or tab window. Compose HTML messages. Check this option to enable the rich text editor when start to compose a new message. This is only the default setting for HTML message composing. It can be toggled at any time while composing. Automatically save draft. When you write a new message, a copy will be saved to the drafts folder every few minutes. Select the interval or disable the automatic saving here. Always request a return receipt. Activate the return receipt sending option by default for new messages. Always request a delivery status notification. Activate the delivery status notification sending option by default for new messages. Place replies in the folder of the message being replied to. Choose the current folder for saving the reply message to instead of saving it to the sent folder. When replying, this option controls whether and where to place the quoted original text when replying to a message. Message forwarding controls the mode how messages are forwarded by default when clicking the forward button without choosing a forwarded mode. Default font of HTML message. When writing a formatted message, this font face and size is used for the default text formatting. Default action of Reply All button. When replying to a message coming from mailing lists, this setting controls how to reply to them. Enable emoticons to be used in the message when it arrives at destination. Under Signature Options, you can automatically add signature. Select in which cases the signature text from your sender identity is added to a new message. Place signature below the quoted message. When replying to a chain, this will enable your signature to be placed below it. When replying, remove original signature from message. As the name suggests, this setting removes detected signatures from the original message when citing it in the reply. Force standard separator in signatures. When checked, 2 dashes will be added before your signature. Spell check options. Check spelling before sending a message. Before the message is sent, it is ran through a spell check. Any errors will be underlined. You may click on the word to bring up a menu that allows you to select the proposed correct word. Ignore words with symbols. Do not spell check words with symbols. Ignore words with numbers. Do not spell check words. Ignore words with all letters capitalized. Do not spell check all capitalized words. For more information on this and other webmail features, visit goldenwest.com/webmail.